kahle kakhulu. Bengisathi ngisazokubuza izinto eziningi nge-MRP but ithi sihlabele phambili. Siyazi ukuthi kunohlelo olweGugurawundi oluholwa ngathi ngilokuzeni ngupresident weZimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa esebenzisa ama-traditional chiefs ukuthi lolu daba lulungiswe once and for all. Into bengithanda ukuthi ngizwisise kuwe njenge-MRP ukuthi lina lilubona kanjani lolu daba, udaba oluphethwe ngendlela elungileyo noma cha?
Engingakutsho babunkala ukuthi iGugurawundi it was not it was a sad, it was a brutal chapter in the life of Mthwakazi. It is a painful chapter in the life of Isizwe Sakithi. For 40 years and above, we've tried ukuthi si-engage uhulumeni ukuze aluxazulule udaba lolo. Kodwa ungananzelela, government has always been stalling ebuyela emuva. Thina njenge-MRP sithi mangabe uMnangagwa eleqiniso ngalokho athi ufuna ukukwenza lezi nduna obaba bethu, kungani echiye imidlenzi ngaphandle, I mean, kungani ethe imidlenzi ingabi part of this thing athi national healing? Kubonisa khona ukuthi uMnangagwa Isizwe Sakithi mhlambe he thinks he has emasculated amaNdebele ukuthi akusela resistance engaba khona. Ngeke uthi ufika emzini wami ufike udlengule umama, udlengule unkosikazi, ubulala abantu abathathu, ubususithi mawusuzoxolisa ufike ukuthi uzokhuluma nami nabantwana abangu-4 uchiye laba abathathu lo mama ngaphandle. So ngezinye indlela ubeka inkemba phakathi kwesizwe, ufuna isizwe sixabane. Bathi an enemy riven is an enemy defeated. In his mind, he thinks ukuthi if it
Asibingelele kumathuleni Broadcasting Corporation, igama nguThulana kwaNkalo Mnabase onabe kuhle kuthangazana. Bakwethu namhlanje ngililethele insizwa ubaba Alphas Fuyane umagwegwa bakayise. Insizwa ehamba ngezombusazwe, angazi noma umbusazwe noma umbangazwe. Izozisho yona ke insizwa. Siyakwamukela baba Fuyane kumathuleni Broadcasting Corporation.
Yebo, ngiyabonga mnewethu Thulana kwaNkala. Njengoba utshilo hayi olwethu uhambo ngolwezombangazwe, ngoba umbusazwe uyabe usubusa ilizwe seliphikisana ukuthi ngubani ozongena eParliament. Thina sisadinga lelo lizwe lakithi, yilo salidinga ilizwe lakithi. Igama ke ngu-Alphas wakoFuyana, uDlakude, uMnengeza, uMaphisa, uMdilizelwa, oSivande Sintenentene. Ngokuzalwa ngizalwa laphana eKhezi. Ngifunde esikolo okuthiwa yiZamanyoni. Phambilini emuva lebe kuthiwa yiChimali Mission. Engicabanga ukuthi yiso futhi isikolo wafunda khona uSekathandi ubaba uJoshua Nkomo owayekhokhela iZaphu. Wafunda kuleso sikole ngafunda ngaso kuso ama-primary schools ami. Kwezopolitiki ngiku-MRP, uMthwakazi Republic Party, ibandla elikhokhelwa ngubaba uMqondisi Moyo, la yozalwe eMatopo, so sikusem district. La yozalwe eMatopo, lami ngizalwe eMatopo, kodwa mina ngale kweMatopo eMaphisa. iMaphisa under induna uNgwemnyama Maphisa Fuyane.
Okay. Bengithi uma ungasho ukuthi wena ku-MRP ubambe siphi isikhundla?
Kumthwakazi Republic Party ngibambe ezogwaja lokubona elokukhulumisana lamazwe angaphandle esingathi foreign affairs. So ukuthi mangabe ibandla lisenza ama-engagement namanye amabandla asekhaya khona pha malisenza ama-engagement namanye amabandla ezepolitiki wamanye amazwe or ngithi lamanye amazwe omhlaba nama-organizations afana labo-United Nations, o-SADC, o-African Union, o-International Criminal Justice, yimi engisiza ekulobeni lezo ncwadi eze-engagement ezokudinga ubudlelwano kwesizwe sabethwakazi nezinye izizwe. Njalo mangabe sifuna usizo thizeni or izeluleko kwamanye ama-organizations, yimi ngeke ngukhangele khonokho liqula labanye engisebenza nabo esithi i-Foreign Affairs Advisory Committee.
All right. Okay, ngokuzalwa ushilo ukuthi uzalwa eMapisa. IMapisa noma iMapisa?
Hayi, iMapisa ngoba ithathelwe ijaha elidala elaliphethe ibutho isizinda. Le ndawo phambilini kusengamakhiwa kwakuthiwa i-Antelope Mine. Kodwa ke ngo-1980 yaguquka kwathiwa iMapisa. Ngoba yakhumbula ukuthi ezinduneni zenkosi uMzilikazi kwakunenduna uMaphisa Fuyana owayephethe ibutho isizinda, okunguye isizinda leso futhi yiso esapha igama lelokishi edorobheni lakoBulawayo esithi Eternal Capital kaMthwakazi. iBulawayo our eternal capital kunelokishi okuthiwa yisizinda. Khona esizinda kulesikole okuthiwa iMaphisa.
Hawu yebo.
Singakhohlwa yebo kulesikole okuthiwa iMaphisa esizinda. Singakhohlwa lokuthi iMagwegwe yaphiwa lelo gama kuhlonitshwa induna nkulu yenkosi loBhengula uMagwegwe kaFuyana. Onguye yebo uMagwegwe kaFuyana onguye esingathi wayebambe ezangaphakathi kwelizwe owayengu prime minister wesizwe sabethwakazi kusadliwa ngoludala kusaphethe inkosi uLobhengula.
All right. Okay. Wena ezepolitiki usiqale nini ukuzingena?
Engingathi ebantwini bakoMthwakazi kakhulu kuba nzima ukuthi umuntu athi ezepolitiki uzingene nini. Sizananzelela ukuthi kakhulu thina esizelwe ngama-1980s sizalelwe ngaphansi koncindezelo olwenza ukuthi noma mhlawumbe usemncane emaziko abadala mabexoxa nawe ubone kufanele ukuthi isizwe sakithi or isizwe sakini singaphansi kwencindezi. Kwakuphusha lokhu ukuthi ube kwazi ukuthi ungakhula kuzamele ubandakanye kulezo zinto. Uthi noma usekweluseni ngaphansi komthunzi wentaba uBhalagwe. Engiye ngithi mina I grew up under the shadow of Bhalagwe. Ukuthi izigameko lezenzakalo ezazenzakala eBhalagwe, a great influence on my boyhood and childhood growing up. Ngiye ngizibuza ukuthi okay abadala bakhuluma ngokuthi iZipra yayilwela ilizwe kodwa into eyenzeke eBhalagwe laphana sibancane abanye bethu indaba esasizitshelwa ngabadala nesasikubona sibancane uzibuza ukuthi kanti iZipra wayivele yaba yiZipra wayengazange ibe yiMipra yalwela isizwe sakithi sakoMthwakazi ngoba iZimbabwe leyo yayilwela ayizange ibuye. So ngingathi mina from a young age as a young boy I always had this political mind. I knew ukuthi I'll be involved in politics. Ingakho I remember I was in grade 5 ngamfundiswa ngomunye utitsha okuthiwa nguGonde. Kwaba lesikhathi ukuthi kuvulwa iMapisa Bakery. Isakhona namanje edolobheni leMapisa leyo bakery. Sasenza ama-weekend lessons esikolo ukuthi sivivinyeke kahle. I skipped that weekend lesson. Ngifuna ukuyabona iMapisa Bakery ivulwa ngoba yayivulwa nguSekathandi uJoshua Nkomo. So I wanted to go and see that great man who inspired a generation of young men ababe from 12 years 13 years bachiye badela abazali babo bayiphetsheya bethi bayobuya le bayolwela ilizwe. So you can imagine a grade 5 boy, maybe I was 11, if my math serves me well, or less. Ngasuka ngaya eMapisa just to go and see uSathandi, ubaba uJoshua Nkomo.
Yeah.
And okunye, I was brought up by a grandmother namanje ngithi ngimuthi indlovukazi. She was so well versed entweni eziningi, noma ekufaka ugqozi ukuthi now you must grow up and be a man. Mawudedesa mhlambe uthunywa laphana ekhaya kumele uyobiya emasimini, akuthi no, iba indoda, umsebenzi lo vele ngowendoda. So from a young age we're given responsibilities, kakhulu kakhulu emakhaya we know ukuthi imisebenzi isuke ibe mningi. So those who brought us up, or ngithi abangikhulisayo mina, they instilled this thing ukuthi kumele ulwele into engeyakho, uthembe izenzo zakho, uzenzele ukuze kusasa ube ngumuntu ebantwini.
Okay.
Njalo kunye futhi indawo yakusilana eZamanyoni, ngithi iZamanyoni area akula muzi okungela zipra khona. Yonke imizi obaba bayolwela government which was politically ihlakanipha, kodwa bona bavele bekhuluma ngezapho, becula ingoma zenzane ezezapho.
Lokhuzeni, njengoba ukhuluma ngezipho, ukhuluma ngezapho, siyazi ukuthi izapho lwela lokho obizwa kuthiwa yi-nationalism, kakhulu okuhlanganisa uMthokazi neZimbabwe. Wena uqale nini ukubona noku-understanda ukuthi no, kune-secession njalo uMthwakazi kumele uzimele?
Engathi njengoba ngithilo phambilini ukuthi babethi abadala mabexoxa ngokuthi kwahamba kwayolwelwa ilizwe labuya. Ngimncane nginjalo ngizibuza ukuthi phoma izwe labuya umbhuqazwe ke abantu bakithi babebhuqelwane. Ngase nginanzela ukuthi thina abantu laba babesibhuqa silala singadlanga, sidla amagiriwane. I remember one incident, umza wami oka 74 ebuya nomama omncane oka 67, she's late now, bebuya thenga ukudla umumbu, in fact konga ezitolo zako akuna. Behlangana lamasotsha nalawa ayesuke ebhala bachithisa umumbu. Umumbu lwana usudojwa ngamajuba, lathi sesilandelela ukuthi sidobhe ukuze silale ugogo esiphekela umchanga. So from that young age I already understood that there's something fundamentally wrong with what we call iZimbabwe. Ansimancane sasithi iZimbabwe thina, ukuthi kathi iZimbabwe sibancane singaka senzeni ke masilala singadlanga. Labadala mabesitshela ukuthi hayi umuzi olaphana wachiswa, umuzi wakoMaphosa komlaka uchisiwe, obaba omkhulu osa-ino bahamba labopasi bayobakhama ngamaketani. So you grow up asking yourself into ezinengi. Then when you grow up uhlangana lamazipra, mhlawumbe sengoteacher, we were lucky to have uteacher owathiwa nguZondo, uMthulisi Zondo, a former Zipra comrade. Wayesitshela impela langezenzakalo zenzakala empini ukuthi opasi babejikisa imkhonto idle kuZipra ingadli emabhunwini. So from secondary school ngase ngi-awe ukuthi kunento okumele yenzakale. Sifundiswa ngabotitsha okwakuthiwa nguMtungwe, kunomunye umfowethu okwakuthiwa nguPhilani Dube. He is late now, he joined the army. Khona ngalo I don't know what happened, but he passed away. He asked uteacher uMtungwe ukuthi kathi Mtungwe, njengoba singo form 3 uzosifundisa integrated science. Asikuzwa phela thina okunye. Sasifuna ukuthi mawukhuluma ngekhagwe ukukhuluma isintu. Uteacher uMtungwe wazonda. So in our area, actually in the whole of Mthwakazi, there's always been that obsidian underlying feeling yokuthi we are not Zimbabwean. No wonder even uMgabe owakhuluma before ngo-1979 ukuthi hayi iZAPU ingawina unkomo uzabusa inkomo country, mina ngizobusa iZimbabwe. So it's something which is not hidden. Those who deny lokho kushuthi bangaphika phela bethi nesibhakabhaka bathi asikho yi-blue, bethi asikho luhlaza, ngoba it's as clear as the sun. Nomntwana omncane knows ukuthi abancane manje abantwana labo they know ukuthi there's two people lapha ekhaya, abantu bempumalanga nabantu bakwaMthwakazi.
So i-MRP uyijoyine nini njalo uyijoyineleni?
Okay, i-MRP ngangena kuyo ngo-2015, isile 1 year yasungulwa. Ngarecruitwa khonapha e-South Africa. Kungukuthi phambilini bengisiba involved kuma-cultural activities, ikakhulu ayekhokhelwa ngubaba uGumede esambe ukuthi abe yinduna la. Sizama ukuvuselela i-culture njengoba nje abantu sebegqoka amabheji. I remember emuva le abadala be-MLF babethanda ukuthi bezofika kwaba uGumede lapha. You must know MLF is part of our FOPIERA organizations. That fact you must always sibe proud ngakho nabo sibakhulisa abadala ukuthi kungayisiba basinika ithochi le. We're not going to be where we are today. Namanye ama-organizations afana labo Mhlahlo, kumathebele Home Society, kungayisibo abafike before thina, even abo ZAPU 2000, that little spark yokuvuselela into yakithi. So bengisathi sisiya uGumede sasithi masigqoka amabheji abafana besiya bethi hayi sigqoka izikhumba into ezinukayo, but we persevered. Kuthe sokubuya i-MRP, it was easier for me to transition from being a cultural activist to a political activist, ngoba ngabona ukuthi i-ideology yabo it aligns with my long-standing needs or ngithi aspirations for the people of Matabeleland. So ngarecruitwa ngubaba uMqondisi Moyo. It so happened ukuthi ngase ngizile ngaye. We met at a relative's funeral at Joburg. We exchanged numbers. Of course, we must know ukuthi uMoyo is a welcoming individual. Akabhekela umuntu phansi, noma umaniki ufika kuye is going to give you his ear. So in that funeral ngama ngithi ngibona nangu uPresident uMoyo, of course wayehamba lo Mbonisi Gumbo and the security detail. Hayi ngamlanda ke saxoxa hayi ngihlala ngikubona mani kanje sa exchange ama number, then the rest, as they say, is history.
I-MRP ngokuyazi kwakho, ngoba uma uMoyo ekukhombisa ukuthi uyijoyine, ukunikezile ukuthi i-MRP ngabe imelene, ona uthi imelene i-MRP?
I-MRP imela uZulu wonke wakoMthwakazi. Njalo i-MRP yabunjelwa ukuthi incedise uZulu aphume esizweni seZimbabwe azimele yedwa naye, esingathi abe yi-full member of independent family of nations, angene na kuma-bodies afana labo United Nations, ukuze munye ngamunye uMthwakazi ama-aspirations akhe afezeke, angancindezeleki. Sizananzela ukuthi ekhaya abantu bakithi bancindezeleke ngendlela ebuhlungu, okokuthi usungathi uvula mhlambe ibhizinisi, uthi uvula isikole, amaphepha angikhona kumele uyowasayinelwa eHarare, uthi ufika eHarare bakucela ama-30%. I know ukuthi abanye abantu they'll have this argument ukuthi hayi akwenzeki, but we've got ama-case studies, we've got cases whereby our people from South Africa bahamba bayekha bathi bafuna ukuyovula amabhizinisi, but they were thwarted. Uzokuthiwa hamba uyefika kuthiwa yini KG6. How can amaphepha awebhizinisi asayinwe or approve KG6? So abantu bakithi sifuna ukuthi siyi-MRP babe brave enough ukuthi bathathe lokho kungokwabo, bazimele bebe lelizwe labo, ngoba ungananzelela ababunkala singamandebele, in spite of everything which the government of Zimbabwe has done, thina singamandebele we've managed ukuthi sizenzele esizenzela khona ezabelweni. I can give you several examples where our people, without political supervision, but bele natural wisdom yabo, eyabo babesegazini labo, besukuma bethi sesiyakha iclinic, basukume bethi besiyakha ibridge, basukume bethi sesiyakha idamu, basukume bethi sesisemba umgodi ngoba kwamanye amazwe anohulumeni anobaba abantwana mabesilela inkomo ziswela amanzi lawo mazwe ayakhela izabelo amadamu kodwa kithi abantu besindebele kumele sizenzele bonke ngoba silayo ubaba. The last time we had a father mhlawumbe kwaba isikhathi kusasele inkosi loBhengula, we almost made it ngesikhathi sikababa uJoshua Nkomo. It's a pity ukuthi that revolution was deferred, ayisabuyanga ngendlela abadala babeyihlele ngayo. So okwamanje abantwana bemathebeleleni bayazazi ukuthi bazintandane sebezakhela okwabo. Siyakha ama-bridges izikolo kodwa government ibisibuya kizovula leyo clinic iqhatshe futhi abantu beMpumalanga to man those clinics bathanyele kulawo ma-clinics but thina sithi ebantwini hayi qhubekani likwenza because yindawo zenu. uNkulunkulu uma ngabe enathi namadlozi akithi esikhokhela njengalokho esithemba ukuthi imisebenzi yonke vele ikhokhelwa ngumveli inqangi namadlozi kuyothi ngelinye ilanga lawo ma-clinic kuyobe sokusebenza abantu abenu umthwakazi usukhululekile. Yilo ilizwe as-MRP esilinika abantu ukuthi wherever an MRP guard ekhona ezabelweni ibandakanye lama-developments esigaba lokhu ungasafika ngazi ukuthi ngo-MRP kodwa take a leadership role in those communities against crime in those communities. Take a leadership role kuma-development ama-project. Kithi laphana sakhile i-bridge kwakuna manje kunenkulumo zokuthi kumele kugujwe idamu elakonabani ngapha mina ngikhulele khona eMavungu sinikwakha ibridge siyashaya izimali njengamanje sakha ikliniki esendana ngale futhi under induna ufuyana futhi nakhona bazama ukwakha ikliniki. So those are the developments esithi abantu bakithi masithi vuka mthwakazi suke sikhuluma ngento ezinjalo. While we are fighting for our independence, let our people be uplifting themselves. On top of that, we are encouraging abantu abaku-diaspora, wherever you are in diaspora, occupy a space. Ma une business idea, try to exploit that business idea so that singabi isizwe esilahlekeleyo sifane namaJuda. For 2000 years begijinyiswa omunye utitsha wathi ngifundiswa ukuthi amaJuda u-Awali wangifundisa eNyathi High School. May his soul rest. Ethi amaJuda ayehlala ama-horse carriages uyabe le ntambo lo ungama-vase okule ukuthi ungathiwa yena uthatha abantwana aphosele enqoleni awupha amahatshi athathe that vase egolide kuphela yiyo ezobasekla phambili. Lathi singabantu bakomthwakazi sisichitheke sagcwala isizwe umhlaba wonke ungaka. Wherever we are, let us find each other, let us give each other isupport. Ofuna uvula ibhizinisi njengoba sichaya imali zezimfa asibe nenye idea futhi ukuthi sichayeleni imali zamabhizinisi kuze kusasa those businesses are going to help us mangabe umthwakazi usukhulula ukukhulula umthwakazi oma usukhululekile siyabe sile ndawo way to start singayigijimisa esikhuluma umthwakazi esigijima se-IMF kanti imali yethu igcwele umhlaba wonke. When Israel was established, it was already eaten billions of money. They went in and bought that money in 1948. Even in Yom Kippur, all Jews all over the world, they went to Israel to fight against abantu ababedisa Israel. So Nati as MRP were encouraging our people to be like the Jews. Not to have been persecuted like the Jews. The Jews suffered in the Holocaust, we suffered around genocide.
All right. Ngiyakuzwa kahle kakhulu. Bengisathi ngisazokubuza izinto eziningi nge-MRP but ithi sihlabele phambili. Siyazi ukuthi kunohlelo olweGugurawundi oluholwa ngathi ngilokuzeni ngupresident weZimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa esebenzisa ama-traditional chiefs ukuthi lolu daba lulungiswe once and for all. Into bendithanda ukuthi ngizwisise kuwe njenge MRP ukuthi lina lilubona kanjani lolu daba, udaba oluphethwe ngendlela elungileyo noma cha?
Engingakutsho babunkala ukuthi iGugurawunde it was not ngeke ngithi it was a sad, it was a brutal chapter in the life of uMthwakazi. It is a painful chapter in the life of isizwe sakithi. For 40 years and above, we've tried ukuthi si-engage uhulumeni ukuze aluxazulule udaba lolo. Kodwa ungananzelela, government has always been stalling ebuyela emuva. Thina njenge-MRP sithi mangabe uMnangagwa eleqiniso ngalokho athi ufuna ukukwenza lezi nduna obaba bethu, kungani echiye iMidlands ngaphandle, I mean, kungani ethe iMidlands ingabi part of this thing athi national healing? Kubonisa khona ukuthi uMnangagwa isizwe sakithi mhlambe i-things has emasculated amaNdebele ukuthi akusela resistance engaba khona. Ngeke uthi ufika emzini wami ufike udlengule umama, udlengule unkosikazi, ubulala abantu abathathu, ubususithi mawusuzoxolisa ufike ukuthi uzokhuluma nami nabantwana abangu4 uchiye laba abathathu lo mama ngaphandle. So ngezinye indlela ubeka inkemba phakathi kwesizwe, ufuna isizwe sixabane. Bathi an enemy riven is an enemy defeated. In his mind, he thinks ukuthi if he divides Matabeleland and Midlands, icala lakhe lizoba lincane. In his mind, he thinks if he divides our chiefs, awe Matabeleland lawa ase-Midlands, ukuthi awe Midlands athi yona hayi ase-right, ase-happy ngeGugurawunde, ucabanga ukuthi uzobe senqobile. As MRP sithi leyo nto ikudelela okukhulu okwenziwa nguMnangagwa. We are fully against ama-hearings lawa. If we really need to solve udaba lweGugurawunde, asilandeleni ama-precedents ayenzakalayo, ama-genocide afana labo Rwanda, ama-Nuremberg trials. We need an independent body. Singakhohlwa futhi ukuthi ku-genocide nale yakithi there were greater powers or bigger powers ababe involved. I-ANC ingaphi in these hearings because abantu bakithi in part bafela khona ukuthi le ANC et ama-weapons ayo laphaya aye under izipha. I-South African government now, it must be answerable because uPick Botha belo Mnangagwa behlangana every week beqoqa ukuthi iGugurawunde ama-logistics akhona azohamba njani. Bepromisana ukuthi ama-Zipra comrades, if they withdraw from the military, luyise government eZimbabwe again ngoba institute i-genocide, i-Pretoria la izongenela. So we need South Africa also to answer ukuthi abantu bakithi babulawe lani ngombhuqazo. Into leyo ukuthi kuthiwe izinduna zizokhuluma ngasese. Our sources say kulomunye umlisa othi kunabantu abazovela eHarare bazovalela abantu one by one endlini. Bakhulume ukuthi bahlukunyezwa njani. We think that's intimidation. And as a party, we're not going to allow that. We have launched a petition yokuthi abantu bakithi bayisayine. Njalo we're going to visit those chiefs on the days of our hearings now. Sibatshela ukuthi lina lani as chiefs, you are victims of this thing. How can a victim ask another victim ukuthi iphole umoya? Izinduna futhi eziningi ezikhona manje ngesikhathi sombhuqazo zazincane kwakubusoyise oyise abanye bachiselwa ezindlini because ziningi induna ezabulawa yi5 brigade. Okungangokuthi ngeke ngithi manje ngiyinduna uba bechiselwe endlini usuzothi mina angikhulume nezakhamizi ngizipholisa amanxeba. Azophola kanjani amanxeba nami ngimanxeba nxeba? So uhulumeni weZANU-PF lona akaboni ukuthi isizwe sinhlangothi zimanxeba igazi liyopha. Of course, amongst our people there will be those abathi bona hayi sesigugile asifuni ukuthi sife indaba lengakalungi ama-perpetrators lawa ayaphela. It's not about ukuthi ama-perpetrators ayafa. It's about righteousness. It's about justice. I-justice ayila time frame. Ama-Armenians 1914 during the First World War iqala babhuqwa yiTurkey. Icala labo namanje lisahlezi enkantolo. Ama-Herero 1905 babhuqwa ngama-Germans. Icala labo namanje liyathethwa. Pho elethu leli abanye bethu bengabadala futhi asebethi hayi asincedisaneni le-government sikuqedeni lokho. Sithi no, badala thina malina libona selisondelane lethuna thina njengabantu abenu through i-DNA elichiye kithi through ulwazi okumele lisincedise lona. Hayi lina lingahamba lokufungula libatshele futhi ukuthi hayi libachila abafana uhlamvana lusasekhona, ilahle lisasekhona, likakacimi ilahle le-resistance komthwakazi njengoba silibasa kanje. We're going to extract ubulungiswa nge-genocide le. Singajahi sithi sisifa sichiye abantu abethu in a worse off position under full colonization. No, asipasheni nabo benelitshe noma belesitubhu esisodwa esokuma from whence to fight back against the enemy.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa uyabeka mabhekho uyabeka. I-MRP you said ukuthi lilokhu zipetition lina kuyini linikeziwe ithuba lokuthi madoda lilungiseni lento ye-ground le belizoyilungisa kanjani?
Thina oqala besizo engage ama-international bodies. Phela akulacala okumele lithethwe kungela perpetrator. Manje ama-hearings lawa, they have no perpetrator. It's only the victims okumele bayekhalisana benatha amanzi emzini ezinduna. Thina oqala bezo engage ama-international bodies, i-United Nations ikhona, International Criminal Court ikhona or i-ICJ ikhona, i-Amnesty International ikhona, i-AU ikhona, i-SADC ikhona. They have to be involved for truth telling. Uthi ungabe labantu abethu selwayo. Then they must know who is the perpetrator and why he was doing that. Anything else is a non-starter. It's fana nokuthi akwenziwanga lutho. You can't sweep such a heinous crimes against humanity under the carpet. Kuphele kunjalo. We need to involve even all United States of America. We need to involve the British. We must know which, although they've given up power in 1980, but they still wielded some controls over Umkabe. They could have called him to order. Usiza khumbula ukuthi Umkabe behlala ko-Queen Elizabeth laphana eNathi tiye igqoka impahla zakhe lezi eziyikhakhi leziya. So I wonder what were they talking about, you know, Queen Elizabeth ngapha abantu bakithi besifa. So you wonder ukuthi ama-British yini ababenayo ilitsha ababenalo to grind against isizwe sakithi. Ngephoba babezamkhuza Umkabe ayeke ukubulala abantu bakithi, but they chose not to. So Tina will call the British, will call an independent body of eminent persons to ukuthi bazo-resolve. Njalo, according to United Nations, ama-minorities have got a right to self-determination, depending on our reasons. Eyethu le genocide, it ranks highest. Yokuthi izwe elishaywe ngombhuqazo lilelungelo lokuthi libe le-government yayo. Uzananzela ukuthi kuma-social media or even from abantu njengabo Energy Mutoti, ama-ministers of government, what did they speak behind the scenes? Kuthiwa Zimbabweans are foreigners. Singama-second citizen. We are always threatened by a second genocide. So the only thing ezoba i-guarantee yokuthi akula umbhuqazo wesibili ozositshaya siyi-Matabeleland ngiyokuthi sizimele sibe lo mngcwele sibe namasotsha ethu azosivikela. At the present moment, the people of Matabeleland, the people of Mtwakazi, they don't trust the Zimbabwe National Army to protect them. Fana ukuthi asila umuntu osiprotecta. We don't have a police force which looks after us. Inkomo zethu iko zitshontshwa zize ziyebanjwe egwero. Because the same police men who are supposed to man Matabeleland baqede i-crime are the same native occupiers. The same soldiers who are supposed to kuma-roadblock ukuthi bastope i-theft of our livestock are the same Zimbabwe colonial soldiers. So the only way yokuthi genocide le isolve i-international independent body, kodwa kumele iphume lesisombululo sokuthi umthwakazi akazimele ukuze iZimbabwe ingasibhuqi futhi.
All right. Uhlelo lolu oluka Mnangagwa nama chiefs ucabanga ukuthi kungani uMnangagwa efune ukuthi alwenze khona manje? Kuyini okumenze waze wafuna ukuthi alwenze?
Zichayeli isifuba, ngithi ngachayeli eMRP isifuba ngoba kuthiwa umuntu akazibuki. But the pressure esifakayo on the international stage, the pressure esifakayo ekhaya khona eZimbabwe laphaya yenza uMnangagwa engalali. He knows ukuthi thina is MRP masiye ebantwini sikhuluma ngayo ground ukuthi umuntu lo walibhuqa uthi usazolibhuqa. So he thinks ukuthi angazama ukulubhoqa uhlelo lolu sizaswela thina into esikhuluma nabantu. Ukanti icala alibone. Angaze lezi nduna benze a micromanaged agenda bathi bona seyiphumelelisile. Thina soloko sihleli phezukwayo. Uthi number one of our reasons we want secession is because such a genocide. Uthi genocide leyo uthi yena isisolvekile akudokile igayo lethina nesizwe sakomthwakazi. Okwesibili uma efika pheje uMnangagwa bayambuza ngayo genocide. Ngoba manje e-United Nations siyazibhala incwadi ukuthi hayi nanga umbulalo wethu yeza khona ngabo. Malimemukela sicela limemukele limbuzo ukuthi kanti wayesibulalela. Oza kwabo nakhona eSADC bayambuza because of i-pressure singena each and every office eSADC. Asilali siyangena even individual parties ANC siyaqoqoda siyabatshela ngomlomo ukuthi lidla lo mbulali. We go to Zambia, we engage even abantu okuthiwa ngama enemies. Angithi sokunalento ukuthi we have to hate even abelungu. We taught to hate abelungu. Yibo futhi omnanga ubona besihlala bebusuku. But we engage them sibatshela ukuthi hayi umuntu wasibulalayo nangunya. Nani wabuya walibulala elithathela amaplaza. Ngaleso sikhathi. So wherever he's going is getting immense pressure. Yikho sefuna alusolve.
Yeah.
Udaba lolo.
Okay. All right. Kulona lolu daba oloku ground ngifuna ukuthi sidlulele phambili. Kodwa ke kukhona okunye ngabe ngingakubuzanga khona ngalo ongabe ufisa ukuthi ukuzindise.
For example, udaba loground mina ngiye ngilufanise lalolana udaba lwenazi genocide. From angithi mhlambe ngithi from 1936 uyihle amaJuda waqala ukwabulala ngabo 36 not ngo 39 uqala iSecond World War. Already ngesikhathi seAnschluss hlanganisa iGermany neAustria amaJuda ayikhona phana aqala ukungenela ewaqola ewabulala. It peaked during the Second World War. If Israel was granted independence or its own independent state because of Nazi genocide, what stops the world from granting uMthwakazi an independent state because of Igogoraundi genocide? Of course, in Nazi genocide, babulala more people, volumes, 6 million when told. But it was not as heinous as Agiti. Babe bafaka kuma-gas chambers, bababulale. Tina, abantu bakithi, they died in the most miserable ways. Umuntu ethontiselwa iplastic. Kuthiwe dlana umntanakho. So our cause warrants an independent state because amongst the people who have suffered the most, ngama-genocide. Yithi kubuya eRwanda, kulamaJuda, kulabe Armenia, kulabe Eritrea.
kwenzakaleni? Ukhona Fuyani? Hayi ungaqhubeka ubusufinqa
Okay.
laphana ukhuluma ngayo i-genocide. Uma kukhona ongabe usafisa ukuthi ukukhulume
Okay.
ukuqedise, ungaqedisa.
Ngathi amazwe izizwe. Okay. Bengizathi izizwe zonke ezatshawa nge-genocide emhlabeni zaphiwa amazwe azo ukuthi zizibuze. Ngithi ungathi zonke, ngithi almost silama-Israeli, sile-Eritrea, sile Rwanda, bonke labantu into zabo zasolveka. Abanye babathola amazwe abo, abanye bathola ubulungiswa. Abaseleyo yithi komthwakazi ngoba uhulumende esilawo akafuni ngisho usaqhubeka ngeagenda yakhe futhi ngale grand plan yokuthi asibulale ilanguage abuye occupy lamadlelo abo babomkhulu lamafusi abo babomkhulu sebeyakha imizi yabo phakathi ngoba thina okwethu akuzange kungiswe. So thina siyi-generation yentsha sikhuthaza abantu bakithi to stand up and be assertive, bavikele amadlelo abo, bavikele ama-resources abo, bavikele isizwe sabo.
Hayi no, kuyezwakala kakhulu baba Fuyani. Ungazubone uhulumende eseresponda, ungazubone uhulumende esethusela, utshengisela ukuthi uyayifila ipressure somehow. Sikubonile nje kulona leli viki nje leledlulele ukuthi iZANU-PF iphumile kuma newspapers ithi it will crush umthwakazi. Angazi noma likubonile nani njalo likuthatha kanjani lokho?
Oqala ngathi kuyamangaza ukuthi iZANU-PF nayo as a political party ikuthatha ukuthi izocrusha abantu unless phela mawukuthi iyavuma ukuthi iZimbabwe isiphaza shop sayo njalo iyavuma ukuthi eZimbabwe yiyo ijudge, jury and execution. Kodwa ke phandle kwalokho ama-threats coming from umbulali, a certified killer, a certified genocidist, akumelanga abantu bawathathe lightly. Njalo uma isithi it will crush umthwakazi ayisho ukuthi it will crush MRP. 1982 bathi they will crush Zipra and its dissident father besho unkomo, but abazange bacrush unkomo, bacrush abantu bakithi. So umthwakazi wonke, whether you are MRP, whether you are CC, whether you are ZANU-PF, whether you are non-partisan, that threat is directed at you. You must take it very seriously. Lalapho hamba khona ube wazi ukuthi kule bullet somewhere eHarare Karikangombe ngale or KG6 with your name on it. Abantu bakomthwakazi approximately bangaba yi-6 million. So mhlawumbe already ZANU-PF through its ama proxies ama social abo, they already have 6 million bullets with all our names. because umthwakazi isizwe. If they were going to crush MRP, where should we crush MRP? How many MRP members are there to warrant crushing? The threat is not MRP. The threat to the Zimbabwean state and government is each and every individual, even those who are working for the state, even those who are working for the system. They are a threat to the system because the system will never trust them. Wherever they are, nabona babasebenzela isitha besivimba mangabe sifuna ukusebenza. But to the state, we have ungomkhulu mhlawumbe for example, I just put an example. Ungabe director we-intelligence, umuntu wesindebeleni. But more the deputy esishonini, he's your superior in their eyes. When at that position, we are just holding it for appearances. So that statement that will crush Mthwakazi, it also means they're going to crush those of the state because they know the inner workings of ZANU-PF in the state. If they don't use them against us, they'll eliminate them first before they come for us. Because how will they unleash the Zimbabwe National Army on the state of on the people of Mthwakazi when within the Zimbabwe military there is the Mthwakazians? So it means they're going to first crush those Mthwakazians inside. Who knows? Army, they're already marked men. They must not take that threat lightly, but they must be on guard for whatever ezokwenzakala. Umhlaba esesiphila kuwo awusafani lo wama-1980s. Siyabona ziyangqubulana lapha ne-Ukraine ne-Russia. Mighty Russia, 2 years into the war, it hasn't even taken all the Eastern republics as I said Donetsk. Why? Because umhlaba awusafani nemuva le. You cannot defeat umuntu ongalweli idlelo. You cannot defeat umuntu olwa ngespirit esiyiso simgayida phambili nokuzimisela ukuthi azi ukuthi if ngiguqa ngedolo la which means abantu wami they will be finished off. Thina as members of MRP sithe sizweni sakithi we are a nation which is being hunted. We are cornered. And in that corner singabantu bakomthwakazi, let us fight back. How you fight back is up to you. In our little corners, in our little workspaces, let's be assertive. Sibabonisi singumthwakazi, silokhu qhawe lokuyana obayizolo. Obabokhokho ababubonisa egadade. Silokhu qhawe lokuyana obezolo obubonakala ePupu. I'm blessed to be a descendant of the Wilson Slayer, umdilizelwa. KaMaphisa, kaMnengeza laphaya. Ijahe elidala yilo lakwazi Wilson esiphaqeni. So as MRP we're invoking that spirit sabantu bakithi esokulwa sithi ukuthi ivoni sazalibulala abantu no, as we want to be quoted ukuthi ivoni lebulala abantu no, but resistance is needed at this point in time against an enemy which is threatening to wipe umthwakazi again like it did in 1980 up to 1987.
Okay. Fuyane baba. Uma ubukisisa ulufakela isibuko lolu daba. Luvelaphi? Ungani? Bathe bazocrash umthwakazi. Kuvelephi kajeje? Angu-understand ngoba kimi kumane kungathiwa into emani qhamuke nje sithubene nje.
Oh, okay. Kunesisho angisazi ukuthi sakhulunywa ngubani. Esithi first they ignore you. Then they laugh at you. Then they fight you. Then you win. Sizananzelela ukuthi i-agenda yemthwakazi lapho esayithatha khona. Of course, I said before ukuthi as MRP we've never claimed to be dons or doyens of resistance. Sithi sisebenza ngalokho esilakho. But we've got ama-forebearers ethu oza 2000 obaba Joshua Muhambi laphana they wrote volumes of izinto on genocide nani. Umhlahlo, they even went to the Queen. EMLF, they came with brilliant papers. Thina as their youngsters, as their youngsters, we've taken the mental lapha bayichiya khona. Safaka i-pressure. While bona babefaka i-pressure outside the country, thina we took the fight. Sayingenisa esibayeni.
Yeah.
Kulejakala uWisdom Mkhwanazi okwathi ngeHalema Mhlante Commission wakhomba isithombe sikaMnanga ukuthi hayi phela umuntu lo Halema Mhlante ohleli ngaphansi kwakhe wabulala abazali bami. Iqhawe balithatha balivalela eBread Barracks for a day or so. Belichaya. So kwabuya just after, it was after 2018. Our comrades, the face of the genocidist lapana a trade fair. 3 meters from him, holding a placards.
Yeah.
When it comes to international lobbying, we will petition Dosatic. We will sibatshela ngebody Jameson. Sibatshela ngokuthi sifuna ukuphuma kulelani ilizwe. So the only way for the enemy is to lash out against us. Considering ukuthi babethi hayi laba bayibuya ndawo.
Yeah.
Kumele wazi ukuthi lapha eZimbabwe kule culture yokuthi ipolitics ngeyemali. Umuntu ongena kupolitics ufuna imali ukuthi uthiwa ngiyodla. But in MRP we came up with a completely different brand of politics. Uthi uya ngokuzimisela.
Yeah.
Wena uya usiyafaka imali ku struggle. Awuyi usiyalanda imali ku struggle. While other people bakhipha ama tithes emasontweni, thina sikhipha ama tithes ku MRP. If there is a need uthi kule program of action to be done, sitshone ezikhwameni, because that fight is not our fight. It is a fight given to us by our ancestors to carry forward. Nathi singama ancestors, ijogwe lethu linika abazulu bethu.
Yeah.
So the enemy is afraid ukuthi umlilo ababethi ngowebibi usubuhanguhangu. Uchinwa acheba uthi a bushfire in the southern Hamatan. So MRP has become a bushfire in the southern African Hamatan. Asipheleli eZimbabwe kuphela. Nakhona apha eSouth Africa we engaging organizations. And asikufihli because into yethu is not even treasonous.
Yeah.
It's protected in the Bill of Rights of self-determination of our oppressed nations. So it's not treason. We engage whomever we want. So the state is feeling pressure from within and from without. That's why they are now uttering a substanceless threats. Phezu kwethu, phezu kwabantu bakithi, phezu kwenu lani khona ngapho babunkala ngoba mase besicrashile uthi nahlala phetsha ngeke lisavuka kanti zafikela ngaphezu komlotha. Imizi yabe sichile amanxiwa lana awo omkhulu lothola sokwakhe bona.
Hey madam. Yeah, no asibonge kakhulu baba Fuyane. Ngibona ingathi okwanamhlanje hayi sesiluqhuba qhubile uhlelo lwethu unganikeza nje amazwi okugqiba.
Oh, okay. Ngibonge nami ku Mathebeleni Broadcasting Corporation. Siyafisa ukuthi ngomunye umnyaka lizabe seli broadcaster laphana in our eternal capital engubulawayo. Njengoba iJerusalem kuthiwa i-eternal capital of all the Jews. Minyaka yonke balokuhamba abalwenzayo. Mabevalelisana bathi hayi may we be together in Jerusalem in the next Passover. Nathi kubethwakazi sithi may we be together in our eternal capital Bulawayo. Ngelanga amalanga ekhisimusi. Sibe sigqugquzele futhi ozakwethu umhlaba wonke ukuthi kulama cultural activities akhona. Yize njenge political party asizibandakanye kakhulu. Kodwa we part of abantu abagqugquzela ukuthi kuvuke imicimbi efana neyabo Gadadi. Kuvuke imicimbi efana nesikhumbuzo senkosi uMzilikazi eMhlahlandlela. Sithi Zulu hlangana. Kule nyanga ezayo ngicabanga ukuthi ngo7 September amabomba azobebheke khona. Noma mina ngingufuyana ngingeze ukuya.
Yeah.
Omunye akahambe in my space. kube mnyama imikhonto namahawu kuphephezele emhlahlandlela. Njalo futhi abantu bakithi abake babe political wise. I-MRP ayilandanga ukuzolwa nabo. I-MRP ilesitha sayo ebhekane naso. Asingabi ngama-collaborators bantu bakithi. Must collaborate ne-MRP. We call everyone to come on board as we embark on this journey for self-determination. Sisizwe sikaMthwakazi. Akuyona into kaFuyana lento, akuyona into kaMqondisi Moyo, akuyona into kaBheki Ndlovu, akuyona into kaVelile Moyo, no, into yesizwe. At the moment we are the flame bearers of this struggle. Nathi ithotshi lezayithatha kwabanye. We need abantu esizobashiyela yona ithotshi le lathi lapho siyokhathalela khona. Ngiyabonga kubalaleli nesizweni sonke.
Okay, ayisibongile kakhulu, asibonge kakhulu kubalaleli beMathule Broadcasting Corporation uthulano kaNkala lwana. Isitshe sihle sokudlela inyama namasi. Sibonge kakhulu Fuyani, siyathemba ukuthi nangokuzayo masikucela ukuthi size sizoxoxa nawe baba uzoza la.
Hayi, ngizasondela baba. Ngizasondela ngizokuxoxa.
Siyabonga kakhulu.